Good morning, tonsil stone popping fans. Today, we're going to look at the most popular tonsil stone pop of all time. Let's take a look. That clip and its associated thumbnail have been in scores of videos. One in particular has about 20 million views on YouTube. But whose tonsils are they? You're about to find out. First, let's learn a little bit more about tonsil stones. Tonsil stones are calcified debris and bits of bacteria lodged in the tonsil crypts. They have a so-called rotten trash smell because the bacteria in them emits sulfur, which has the distinct smell. Let's watch our main clip one more time. So the original comes to us from this longer clip, courtesy of Sabrina Couchet. I hope I'm saying that right. She uploaded it in April of 2015. Here are a few more clips of her tonsil stones. In her case, she's using the back of a makeup brush for removal. I recommend a tonsil stone removal tool and a dental irrigator to flush out debris from the tonsils to prevent recurrence. And I'll put an Amazon link below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for updates. And don't forget to pick up a lighted medical pick from the Amazon link in the description. It's like a tonsil stone magnet, and it includes 3 interchangeable tips, an extra set of batteries, case, and it's hand inspected in the good old USA. Don't be fooled by cheap Chinese knockoffs. Order yours today.